Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Battlefield uh, 2042 not launching. If you want to fix it, click here and then go to background apps, turn off this option and then go to GeForce Experience and then go to drivers, check for updates and install the latest update for your graphics card, then go to settings, scroll down and enable image scaling. Now just try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, restart your computer, and after that click here and go to view advanced system settings, adjust for best performance, click apply and OK, and I hope that's gonna help you. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.